The Monster S380 is marketed as a portable Bluetooth speaker with powerful sound, deep bass, and a rugged design for indoor and outdoor use. The ads make it look like the perfect speaker for music on the go, but the real question is it actually worth it? Now, to be fair, Monster is a recognizable audio brand, and portable Bluetooth speakers have become much more capable in recent years. What it does well: portable and easy to carry. The compact design makes it convenient for travel, picnics, and outdoor activities. Wireless Bluetooth connectivity. Pairing with smartphones, tablets, and laptops is quick and simple. Where the hype falls apart: don't expect premium hi-fi sound. This is the biggest issue. A compact Bluetooth speaker has physical limits on bass and overall audio quality. Battery life depends on volume. Playing music at higher volumes usually shortens runtime. Bass may not match the marketing. Promotional videos often make the low-end sound more powerful than it feels in real use. So, is the Monster S380 worth it? Short answer: yes, if you want a portable everyday speaker. It can be a good choice for casual listening, travel, and outdoor use, but don't expect flagship audio performance from a compact Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.